Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about my 3-step lip care routine. I feel like this lip care routine would help anyone who has extremely dry, chapped lips, or in general you just want smoother, nicer looking lips. You can try this out. So I have a couple of Ikai products that I am going to be featuring in today's video. Oh my god, I am someone who I've complained for the longest time about like dry lips, flakiness and everything, and when I got sick it just got worse, and I've never appreciated a routine more than ever like at that time, because there was nothing that could help except these products. I was drinking enough of water, I was hydrating and everything, still nothing. It was just flaking off, it was getting really dry, it was like peeling and it was painful. So if you want to avoid such scenarios and stay away from this kind of a situation, I think these products would help you guys a lot. So let's get started with the first product. The first one obviously has to be a lip scrub. You have to scrub your lips. And for that we have the Ikai Pink Me Again lip scrub. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, really nice, so cute. So this is what the lip scrub looks like. This has a tint to it. It has beetroot juice in it, which is said to like lighten the pigmentation of the lips, and also it can hydrate your lips really well. It also has shea butter and it has sugar particles to it. What I like about this lip scrub is that usually when you scrub your lips, okay, your lips feel very tight and dry. It doesn't happen with this one. And also the exfoliating particles are sometimes too big and too harsh on your lips. Again, doesn't happen with this one. And it feels like it's a little small, but it does the job of exfoliating your lips really well. So what I like to do is I like to take a generous amount of this and apply this on circular motion on my lips. And I take about 2 minutes and I just gently like exfoliate my lips. This way it takes off all of that dry, flaky skin on my lips, and it just makes my lips feel a lot more smoother, even. And after this, we need to incorporate a good amount of hydration to our lips. For that I have the Pink Me Again lip butter, and this is what the lip butter looks like. So this again also has a nice beautiful tint to it, which is said to have beetroot juice to it, and it also has cocoa butter and shea butter that can heal dry and chapped lips and also like nourish your lips really well, lock in that hydration. And so you guys can see this has a beautiful tint, which I absolutely love. I can see myself reaching out for just this product on a daily basis as well, and it just hydrates my lips really nicely. It looks really nice and soft, and it feels really nice and hydrated as well, and I don't feel like, you know, it's sucking out the moisture from my lips, which most of the lip products can do sometimes. Even if it's supposed to be like a hydrating lip product, a lip balm, sometimes it feels hydrating for about an hour or so, and after which it just sucks out all of that moisture, feels dry, and all of that flakiness and everything comes back. But that doesn't happen to me with this particular product. I absolutely love it, and my lips look nice and nourished and smooth. And also I really love the tint on this one. And then to seal everything, like to seal the deal and pack on a little bit more hydration, we can use the lip sleeping mask. That is the Pink Me Again lip sleeping mask. I of course do have my own, which I purchased with my own money. So this one is the lip sleeping mask. This is what it looks like. I like the texture of this. It doesn't really feel too sticky, it's not too heavy as well. It has a nice like bubblegum kind of a scent to it. So this is an overnight lip mask, which you can use as the last step of your skincare routine. Right before you go to bed, you can of course pack on a generous amount of this and go to bed, wake up with really nice and luscious, smooth, soft lips. Or you can also use it throughout the day. There's no rule that you can't use this one. I sometimes just dab a little bit of this onto my lips, like if I'm wearing a matte lipstick, and like the one I have right now, and I feel like it's a little too dry, I just tap it on like this throughout the day. I do that throughout the day, and I really like the effect that it has. It just like instantly takes care of all of that. Can you see the lipstick was actually trying to flake off, and it just looks a lot more smoother, a lot more like hydrated. It's not like sticky, it's not like sticking onto my lips weirdly, it's not forming a layer, not forming anything awkward on the rim, and it just looks really nice. That's what I absolutely love about this one. And this one in conjunction with the other products, it's just like my lips have never looked better. It's smooth, it remains like that. This lip mask and the lip butter combination, it lasts on me for at least like 6 hours, where my lips feel supple, they feel soft, hydrated, and after which I would want to reapply it, like at least use the lip butter or the lip mask alone, or just use both of them in combination. And I really like how it feels on my lips. They are not something that feels really heavy and not too much on the lips, which I absolutely love. So I highly recommend you guys try this out in case, you know, dryness is a big worry for you and you were like, okay, I can't use any lip product, I can't use any lipstick on a daily basis because my lips are feeling really dry. I think you need a good lip care routine, some products like this to try out, and then you can probably like invest in matte lipsticks later. That is all I wanted to talk to you guys about. All of these products, they are really affordable, and I will make sure to leave all the product links in the description box below, and also along with a coupon code with which if you shop you would get additional discounts. So yeah, do check them out, and make sure to let me know what you think about these products in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife.